3.
Hi, I'm Faye, one of the owners of Comfort Master. In 27 years, I've never experienced what is currently happening in terms of equipment and materials availability and labor. And now, this week, even fuel. Our team is working daily to find equipment that customers have already selected, and it's not even hot yet. Never in the past did we have equipment inventory, but now we're stocking a large amount of inventory. But when something is used, we're having a hard time replacing it, and we can't stock all the different options and sizes and applications that you need. So what does this mean for you now? If you're considering replacing your system this summer, please let us provide an in-home assessment and quote now. Plan today while you still have choices with our wonderful low monthly payment, no interest options combined with a special 5-year labor warranty included. What do you have to lose? We want to serve you well, and never more than this year has a planned instead of an emergency replacement been more important. So give us a call while there's still time.